Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gautam from MGL Day Trader. So thank you for clicking on this video. Do watch this video till the end. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay. So we have added 6 stocks in our watch list, so that we have updated in the early morning shorts video. So let's see one by one. So this is the Nifty chart. So today you can see the Nifty is in the sideways action only within the yesterday's price range. But here we have the trade, but the market didn't trend yesterday. It's in a sideways push motion. Sorry, it is in a sideways action. So you can see you can take a trade. So I'm drawing profile for yesterday's range. So you can see this is the D type profile. In the D type profile, we have the market is in the accommodation and the positions has been accumulating inside the range. It may be in the upcoming session the market may trend in any ways. So in the D type profile, there is one trading strategy that we can follow is if the market open inside the value area, you can sell outside the value area where the volume cluster is there. So here you can see there is a volume cluster just above the value area high. You can see the market rejected, and the volume cluster which is below is, if there is no volume cluster, you have to take if there is any rejection happen. So you can see there is a strong rejection happened here. So you are going to mark this. You can say from close to low. So in my trading I will be marking this one. So you can see the market rejected at the value area above the value area where there is a volume cluster and fall down and made a strong support at the bottom, and the market is going up. It may go upwards tomorrow, it may open gap up or gap down, but today it is open inside the yesterday's range, and yesterday is a D type profile. So here there is a one beautiful concept that we are going to make our choices to make success in our life. So choices are very much important, not in the stock market but in also our life. So if we take life as a journey, it is a travel between B to D. B means birth, D means death. Then in between C will be the choices. The choices we are going to take will leave us in suffering, or which we are not going to suffer. So these are the choices we are going to make. In stock market also there is a one big choice that we are going to take, whether I am going to take buy here or sell here. So that is $1 million question. So you can follow any type of indicator, any type of strategies. If you are going to follow the volume profile, you can take D profile, P profile or B profile, any type of profiles, but you need to master in any one of the profiles. So that is the choices we are going to make. So let's get into the stock section. So today the first stock is ONGC. So you can see yesterday the ONGC traded almost 10 to 11%. So market trended upwards. You can see the market opened just inside exactly or just above the yesterday's high, and I am going to mark POC. So the market in the initial balance it broke the POC. So I am going to see if there is any volume cluster below. So there is a volume cluster here. So the market is trading inside, but we are not very attracted to this volume cluster. If the market retraces back here at this volume cluster below the value area low, we will be having trade around 170 to 172, and the target will be around 180, 177 to 180. So there is a good movement in this area. So if the market reach here, we will be having the target and we will be having the trade in the upcoming session. So today we didn't take any trade in the ONGC stock. Okay. So the next stock is Godrej Properties. So I'm going to draw the profile. So here is also the concept of choice came in. So we need to decide very carefully. That decision making skill will be developed, like I mentioned in the earlier video, through the practice only. Okay. So this is the POC. The market opened below the POC and just inside or just below the value area low. This is the value area high. I am going to mark this. So you can see the market enter inside the POC and value area high. It is traded between the value area high and POC. So here that is a very confused region. So whether I'm going to take a long or short trade, which is the $1 billion question in market. So the market fall down. So here the VWAP also came nearer to the POC. The market, the price break the VWAP. So we have taken trade around 1395 here, and our target will be this rejection region, which is on the yesterday's low. But in the that is in between, the volume cluster is also here. So you can see here. So we have to exit our position here. So almost 1395 to 1375. So that is almost 1.5% of the stock price, and we have to maintain the strict stop loss of the day high, because day high or the ATR value, you can take the ATR value, which is 13 points. 13 points means 1% from the stock price. Whichever is very small, you can take that stop loss. Okay, so because we are taking the trade nearer to the VWAP, we can maintain the ATR stop loss as well. Okay, so we have taken trade in the Godrej Properties. So the next stock is Axis Bank. Sorry. So I'm going to mark the profile for yesterday's range. So you can see the initial balance is below the POC, and I'm going to mark the POC and the value area low here. So you can see the initial balance is below the POC and the value area low. The market broke the yesterday's low and came inside and nearer to the value area low, and got rejected nearer to the VWAP as well. So we have taken trade around 656 to 655. And almost booked 2% in this stock. So today we have got many stocks, many trade in the stocks, which was absent in the previous trades. So in previous we have taken only 1 or 2 stocks for a trade, but today we have got almost 3 to 4 stocks trade. So the next stock is Bandhan Bank. So I'm going to draw the profile. So you can see the market is trading inside, and it didn't retrace or it didn't came out. Initial balance is inside the value area, so there is no trade in this stock. So the next stock is Jolla Finance. So I'm going to draw the profile for yesterday's range. So in this we can see there is a volume cluster above the value area high, and the initial balance is above the POC. So we have to mark the volume cluster above the POC and the value area. So you can see the market rejected. We have taken trade around 614 and maintained stop loss about 6 points in this, 620, 621. The stop loss we have maintained, and we booked the profit nearer to the POC, because we have taken the trade above the value area and market is coming inside the value area. So we need to exit our position nearer to the POC at the value area low. If there is a strong breakdown happened at the POC, you can wait up to the value area low. So we have booked the profit nearer to the POC 606. Okay. So the next stock is JK Cement. We have taken a lot of profit in the JK Cement. So I'm going to mark the profile. So profile will be looking like it is a B type profile. The market opened inside and the initial balance is below the yesterday's range. So I'm going to mark the POC and the volume cluster nearer to the POC. So as you can see, the market went down and made a comeback and made a retracement to the POC, and the market got rejected. We have taken trade around 2300 to 310, and we maintain stop loss almost in this. The stop loss is very big, almost 35 to 40 points we have maintained the stop loss. So in this, the stop loss is more than 1% of the stock price. So you need to decide your loss. I'm going to fix my loss as 1000 rupees or 300 or 200 or 100. So adjust your quantity with your loss margin. Okay. So in this we have taken almost 2% in this stock, because the stop loss is 40 points. We have booked almost 50 points in the stock. Okay. So that's all for today. If you really like this video, do hit the like button and share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please contact us. We will be very happy to service you. So thank you for watching this video. We will be meeting in the tomorrow's video. Bye.